Hi guys, I'm excited to be back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw your brows. Before drawing your brows, you have to ensure that your brows are properly groomed. In this video, I'm going to be using a Spooly, the flat veg brush from Yanga Beauty, TM Essential Brow Tamer, Elegant Concealers in Fawn and Chestnut, and the brow pencil from TM Beauty Line by Didi. First, I'm going to dip my spoolie into the brow tamer and brush the hairs on my brows upwards. What the brow tamer does is that it freezes the brows, puts the hairs in place, and allows you to easily draw the outline of your brows. Once my brows are ready, I go in with the pencil from Beauty Line. You can use any brow pencil, but you must ensure that it has a sharp mouth or a sharp edge, a sharp mouth. No blunt pencils for drawing your brows. It's a no. So once your brows are ready, you can start by drawing the outline by just following the shape of your brows. You can see as I'm doing this, I'm just drawing the outline, the bottom line. And once I'm done with that, I move to the top line to draw out the outline of my brows. You can see that this thing is not even difficult at all. So once I'm done with the outline and I'm okay with it, I just start filling in my brows. I fill in all the spars, like all the places that do not have hairs. I fill them in and also go over the entire frame lightly. Now, depending on your preference, if you like heavy brows, you go in heavy. If you like light brows, you go in light. Don't apply too much pressure. I like light brows, so I go in lightly. Once I'm done, I just do the same step for the other brows and I'm ready to clean my brows. Now, if you make any mistake, don't fret. It's normal. Everybody makes mistakes when they're drawing their brows. That's why we have the concealers to help you clean them up and look really nice. So once you're done filling in, you take the flat veg brush and a little concealer and just follow what you have drawn. Basically, the line you've drawn, you just follow it and be as precise as possible. Take your time, because if you just start drawing your brows by yourself, I don't expect that you get it the first time. It takes a while to get used to it. So once you're cleaning your brows with your concealer and the flat red brush, you just need to take your time and do it gently. Now, this brush that I'm using is the best brush. I've used different brushes to clean my concealers, but this one is what I'm going to give to you guys. So please try and get this brush. It's from Yanga Beauty and all of that. It's not expensive. I think about 2,000 naira. I have 3 of these brushes, so you know that's a really good one. So it will help you to clean your brows precisely. So once you're done with cleaning your brows, make sure you use a blending brush to smoothen out the concealer to make it as natural looking as possible. So you're blending your concealer to I don't want to say submerge, but to look as natural as possible. So you buff it up. Once you're done with that step, you also need to do now this cleaning up the top brows is optional. If you want to do it, you can do it. If you do not want to do it, it's very fine. Most times I don't even go ahead with this step because it just gives me a very natural look. But for the purpose of this video, to show you guys, I'm going to be cleaning the top brows just the same way I did the bottom ones. It's the same way you do the top ones as well. Very gentle and easy going so that you don't make any mistake at all. Like sometimes when I'm even drawing my clients' brows, I always tell them no talking. You can't even talk on the phone because I don't want to make any mistake. Brows are like the sets the tone for the rest of the body of your face and all of that. So I'm always very gentle with this step. Yes, finally. Well, we've gotten to the end of the brows, cleaning the brows, I mean. So once you've done that, the same thing that you did for the bottom, you take a buffing brush and blend in that area so nothing shows. I forgot to mention the reason why I used a darker concealer to clean the top brows is that I want it to blend with the natural skin color, so it's not obvious that something is there, so it just looks like your skin. And I forgot to mention the reason why I used a lighter one for the bottom part is so that it pops your brows. So you do the same thing, you blend. Yeah, so you can see it's already taking shape and all of that. Yes, so once you're done with all of this, you do the same thing for the other brows and you're almost done. Like I mentioned in my previous videos, anytime wherever you use a liquid product, you must always set with a powder product, and that's what I'm doing here. It's same principle. Since I concealers are liquid, so once I'm done with buffing and all of that stuff, I set with a powder. It can be your face powder, it can be a setting powder, it can be a translucent powder, so that the concealers don't run out. You set it properly and all of that stuff. So for the bottom and the top part where you concealed, so once this is done, your brows are almost ready. And you guys, let me know if you need more clarification or anything concerning this video. And if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel or leave a comment. Just let me know anything you want to know about these brows. If you need more clarification, I will give to you. I'm so happy to be able to do this for you guys. I love you all and see you soon in my next video. Bye.